If you gave me 3 minutes to blueprint an AI product from zero to shipped, here's the crash course I'd want in my ears. Hook. Most AI projects fail because they start with models, not problems. So I'm flipping it. Step 1. Problem and user. Who hurts, when, and why. Define the job to be done in one sentence. Help X do Y so they can Z. If it isn't a painkiller, it's a vitamin. Price accordingly. Step 2. Data reality. Where will useful data come from? Public. Licensed. User-generated. Synthetic. Do you have consent? How will you label and refresh it? Decide what you'll never store. Step 3. Model strategy. Pick the cheapest model that meets quality. Option. Prompt an off-the-shelf LLM. Option. Add retrieval over your docs. Option. Fine-tune. Option. Train a small model. Trade latency, accuracy, and cost. Step 4. Prototype fast. Ship a thin slice in days. Simple UI. One core flow. An evaluation harness. Use API baselines first. Keep prompts in version control. Step 5. Evaluation. Create a golden set of real user tasks. Track factuality. Track helpfulness. Track safety. Track speed. Measure hallucination rate and regression on every change. Red team it. Step 6. Product design. Show confidence, citations, and edit controls. Offer try this prompts. Add clear boundaries. What it can't do yet. Make recovery easy. Undo. Revert. Ask for human help. Step 7. Safety and guardrails. Block obvious abuse. Filter inputs, outputs. Throttle high-risk actions. For regulated domains, require human in the loop. Log decisions, not raw PII. Step 8. Architecture. Keep retrieval data separate from the model so you can swap vendors. Cache results. Stream tokens for responsiveness. Batch work server side. Step 9. Unit economics. No cost per task, not per token. Use smaller models for most steps. Escalate only when needed. Set usage tiers and fair limits. Step 10. Growth. Onboarding with great defaults. Sample tasks. Instant wins. Build shareable outputs. Instrument everything and kill features that don't move the metric. Here's a 7-day sprint you can copy. Day 1. Interview 5 target users. Write the JTBD and success metric. Day 2. Collect a tiny data set and define a golden test set of 25 tasks. Day 3. Build a single happy path prototype using an API. Version your prompts. Day 4. Add retrieval over your docs, show citations, and stream responses. Day 5. Wire in safety filters, rate limits, and basic analytics. Day 6. User test with 5 more people. Log failures. Fix the top 3. Day 7. Ship a private beta, monitor cost per task, and set upgrade paths. Close. Start with a real pain, prove value fast, measure relentlessly, and stay swappable. If you do that, you won't just build an AI demo, you'll build an AI business. Let's get to work. Subscribe for more build-in public AI guides.